will hand you because you're not letting me out. That's unsafe. So you're not letting me out. I feel unsafe. I will ram your car. So you can either, one, move the fuck out of the way, or I'm going to feel unsafe and I'm going to ram your car.
Right now, you're being the aggressor.
Ma'am, I'm letting you
need
know.
to stop harassing our customer.
Hey,
I feel do
go
not.
back in your car.
I don't feel I don't
can
feel
go around,
safe.
don't harass them. They're not doing
I don't feel
anything
safe
to
to
you.
go around.
They're parked for a reason.
I'm letting
If I
you
get
know.
I'm calling the cops.
Have you been
Good.
drinking?
She's all fucked
No,
up.
I have not.
Just
You
second
certainly
time
sound like you're high
So
or
I'm
drunk.
letting you
I'm
know.
calling the cops.
Good.
Don't harass them.
Call the cops.
They're not doing anything
I
to
don't
you. You
feel
can go around.
safe.
Why? Because
And
you're
I'm
all
not
drugged
going.
out.
I'm not
You're
going
drugged out.
around.
Leave them alone.
I'm
They're
not
not doing
going
anything
around.
to you. I parked them for a
I'm
reason.
letting you know
Okay?
that I don't feel safe to go around.
Get out my
That
face.
is
Stop!
my-
Stop it right now!
Touch me.
Don't fucking touch me, bitch, because I will
No.
knock the floor with you.
You had her just touch me.
Yeah, you had her finger right here.
What do you expect her to do?
No.
Oh, this is great.
I got your license
police.
number. I work at DMV. You're gonna get in a whole
Oh,
lot of
I
trouble.
am.
Yeah,
You
you
think
are.
I
You
am.
put your hands on
Go
that
for
lady.
it.
I do work
Go
there.
for it.
Are you
Go
sick or something?
for
Is
it.
something wrong with
One
you?
thing, I'm sober, which is great.
I hope so.
They come and they're blocking my way out of here. You told them I could not get out of here without them going. So this is going to be amazing.
Yes.
Fucking amazing.
Great. She looks like she's drugged out or got drunk or something. She looks like she's like in her mid-30s. I'm sorry?
I got a whole bunch of it on film.
She's thin. Can you get the license plate?
Yeah, soon.
It doesn't look like she has tattoos, no. She has one out. She has a flag.
There's no front plate.
Block. Block, bitch. Block. Block.
Oh, fuck. Whoa! Holy shit! Total hit and run! Hit and run! 6VVH469! She just smashed that car!
And that's how you don't go up a hill successfully. Let's see if this truck can make it down without spinning out. What we're gonna see. It's a nice heavy duty truck, got some nice large wheels. I don't know how it's not going to skid, but we're about to see the car behind it. We'll see about that. It's smaller. I don't know if it'll make it. Oh, this right here. Oh, it's doing really well. It's staying on the right side of the, or the left side of the road though. Smart. Yup. Smart them. Oh, this car The sedan is totally out of control here. Yep. Luckily, they're not going to have as bad of issues as I am. But it's still bad. And finally, this truck. Let's see if we can get this truck down. Oh, he's thinking about it. He might turn back. Oh no, he's going to brave it. He's already sliding, I think. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, he stopped. Did he stop? No, he's just going really slowly. But he's still sliding. Oh no. He's changing his mind. Oh man, this car is going so fast. He is totally going to kill it. Wow, impressive. He slid all around, but he did make it up. Props to him. Yeah, that truck doesn't even want to take a chance.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.